Good morning and thank you for joining us this Tuesday, the 21st of February. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the major US benchmarks closed mixed overnight with energy stocks down the most, while yields on the 10-year and 2-year Treasury bonds also weighed on equities. European equities were higher, however, boosted by gains in mining stocks. Now, coming up this week, the thinking behind monetary decisions by the Fed will be under the spotlight on Wednesday as the US Central Bank releases the minutes for its latest meeting, while Friday's release of US personal income and PCE, the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, will be closely watched for signs of whether inflationary pressures will reaccelerate or become less intense. Also, US earnings season is in full swing with a few big names announcing Q4 results during this week. Now, looking at the day ahead, our local market is poised to open the session lower this morning, with the SPY futures suggesting a 0.38% drop. And it's another busy day in reporting season. These reports are causing a lot of movement in markets this month. So today we'll be watching out for AMA Group, BHP, Coles, G8 Education, Tabcorp and Viva Energy. Now, BHP's earnings will be one of the most watched today. Goldman Sachs are expecting underlying EBITDA of $13.7 billion US dollars, NPAT of $6.9 billion US, and an 88 US cents per share interim dividend, and that's compared to the consensus estimate of 98 US cents per share. Now, in commodities, the oil price is higher, rebounding from an almost 2-week low of around 75 US dollars touched last week as investors weighed optimism about the recovery in Chinese demand against rising US supplies and persistent worries about a global economic slowdown. Gold has steadied, it's hovering near its weakest levels in 7 weeks after hawkish comments from the Fed and strong echo data that weighed on gold this week, while iron ore has extended its rebound, so keep an eye on iron ore miners this week. These include Champion Iron, Fortescue and Rio. Now, looking at some trading ideas, well, following the H1 results of the A2 Milk Company announced yesterday, Bell Potter have reiterated their buy rating after A2M reported underlying NPAT ahead of Bell Potter's expectations. Their price target has increased from $6.80 to $7.65, which at its current share price of $6.49, this implies 18% share price growth in a year. And lastly, Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in Metals X, MLX is their ticker, and that's indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of 33 cents to the range of 23 to 25 cents over 34 days. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.